Hello everyone, welcome back to another show and tell video. This is the AstroAI Jump Starter Air Compressor 2-in-1. We're going to go ahead and open this up, show you exactly what you get, so you are not worried about what comes in the kit. We show you it right here. Now, this is pretty nice. It comes with a protective case. I definitely like that. I think brands should all come with cases for stuff like this. Zipper unzips very smoothly, and look at this. This is actually pretty cool. They actually tell you how to use it. That is very smart. Look at this. I actually want to give AstroAI a little praise on this. This is very smart. This is amazing. Like, I haven't seen this before. That is amazing. I know they have manuals and stuff, but most people, this is what they do with the manual. They don't care. This is very smart. This is the future. So good job. Keep doing this on all your products. Now, let's go ahead and show you what is inside here. This is it for charging the actual unit. You plug this in the wall. You plug the USB port in there and the Type-C port into the unit. This is going to be used for jumping your vehicle or someone else's vehicle. Positive is going to be right here, which is red. Black is going to be negative. Looks like it's got copper terminal alligator clamps. This is going to get plugged into the unit, and this is just for jumping. This is not for the air compressor. This is the air compressor line. Let's go ahead and see the actual unit. You're going to go ahead and open this up. Once you open this up, you're going to see that you have different nozzles in here, nice and protected. So different ones for different things. And of course, you can charge something like a cell phone with the Type-C or the USB. You would lift this up here. This is going to be for your jumper. You would connect your jumper, then just connect it on the positive and negative terminal of your battery. Let's see here. Here it shows you your battery life by turning on and off. Let's see. Press and hold to turn it off. Press and hold to turn it on. You press and hold the center button. You then have your light as well. Different modes. It's actually a fairly bright little light. You can set your PSI to whatever you want. You have PSI. You have presets for motorcycle, car, bicycle, basketball or inflatables, person. So you can set that. Now this has an auto off feature. Select this for the compressor. Then, as you can see here, auto goes off once it reaches the correct PSI. Very simple, easy to use.